Do you or your customers need to repair scratches, cracks, holes, and other damage to plastic substrates? Bostik's Repair, an innovative engineering adhesive from our Born2Bond product line, makes it easy. Repair requires little setup and is easy to use whenever needed. Unlike other technologies, Bostik's syringe packaging with static mixer configuration provides a perfect and consistent component ratio every time. No manual mixing is required, as with many other two-part systems, which reduces the risk of mixing errors. In addition to gap-filling capabilities, Repair cures within minutes and can be easily sanded, painted, or machined shortly after application to keep production lines moving. Once the plastic substrate is repaired, this product holds its strength, reducing further damage likelihood due to reasonable vibration or minor impact. Repair is ideal for bonding a range of plastic substrates, including PC, ABS, and PVC. Contact a Bostik expert today to trial this product and see how it improves operational efficiencies, enhances end-use aesthetics, and increases substrate durability overall.